Oh, it's filming now. So we just go, you can edit this out?
Yeah.
Okay. G'day, Tyler here, Impact Off-Road. Got a standard truck on the hoist that we're about to cut out. She's got a bit of a lift there to get through. So one by one we'll get the jobs done. This is the guy's second truck, so he's just traded his old one in. We've got a little bit of a head start, we've got the diodes on the top already. And we're about to get set in, bull bar, tow bar, lift kit, wheels, tyres, flares. So yeah, we'll see you there. Tyler here, Impact Off-Road. Halfway through the kit out on this truck, as you can see with the tow bar on, rear lift kit and flares, tyres. And we've just started on the raised air intake up there. Customer's ordered a little bit of blue on his one. He wanted black wheels on it, so we've gone and got them custom powder coated. All in-house made products as well. So we'll see you when we're finished.